Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to graph the equation of a line. So just how to graph a line. Okay, so one way to graph a line is by plotting some points, right? So you can try to get some x and y coordinates, let's say x and y here, to get at least 2 points. It's recommended that you get 3 points so you can make sure whatever you did is right, but you don't have to. 2 points should be fine, but if you want you can get 3 points. Okay, now first thing to do is to choose some values for x and y. Okay, for example, but you have to choose one at a time. For example, for the first point here I could choose 0 for let me put it in red so you could see what I choose. I could choose 0 for x, for example. So if you choose 0 for x, then you would have to solve for y, okay? So to solve for y, you will remember that you just made x 0. So if x is 0, therefore y will be, you go back to the original problem, replacing x by its value. So it will be just y equals 5 because x is 0, right? So you have y equals 5, you put 5 here, okay? Now, for the second one, you can choose y now and let y be 0. You could pick other values, but I'm picking 0, okay? If you pick 0, then you'll have, for the second point, you'll have y equals 0. Now it's just x equals to, let me put y equals 0 first so you can remember. So if you remember that you set y equals 0, therefore x will be, if y is 0, x will be 5. Okay, then you know x is 5. All right, so for the third point, you could actually graph using these are the intercept. You could graph with them, but I'm saying for the third point you could pick another value. For example, you can let x be 1, for example. Okay, now if x is 1, remember that you just let x be 1. Therefore you go back to the original problem. You'll have 1 plus y equals to 5. Then solving for y, you subtract 1 from both sides. Therefore, y is 4, positive 4, right? And you put the positive 4 here, okay? So you get 3 points. So see, you can actually graph using 3 points, right? So now let's graph. Let's draw the x and y axis. Okay, now what are the values you have? The points. The ordered pairs, first ordered pair is 0, 5, 0 for x, 5 for y, 0 for x, 5 for y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm putting the first point here. Second point, 5 for x, 0 for y. 0 for y, 5 for x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here. And the third point is 1, 4. So 1 for x and 4 for y. So 1 for x, 4 for y. So we write here 1 for x, 4 for y. Okay, remember this was 5. This is 5 up there. So you have 3 points, okay? 3 points. All you got to do is to draw the line through them, right? Let's try to do this perfectly. Okay, now as you can see, the red line here passes through all 3 points. So we know we're right. This is how you graph it. This is what you get. This is right. We know we're okay. At 5, 5, okay? We're good. So this is the graph. Now, as you see, you can graph using 3 points. Okay, this is one method. Also, you can graph using what we call the rise over run method, which is what I'm going to show you in another video, not in this one. Thank you.